Immerse yourself in the comforting flavors of Brazil with this extended Caldinho de Feijao recipe. A beloved traditional bean soup that's both nourishing and flavorful. Caldinho de Feijao, translating to little bean broth, is a staple in Brazilian households, often enjoyed as a heartwarming starter or a light meal. Ingredients: 2 cups of black beans, soaked overnight, 6 cups of water, 2 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 large onion, finely chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1/2 pound of smoked bacon, diced, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Chopped cilantro or green onions for garnish, optional, sliced sausage or chorizo for added flavor. Instructions: 1. Cook the beans. Drain the soaked beans, and place them in a large pot with water and bay leaves. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer until the beans are tender, about 1 to 2 hours. 2. Prepare the flavor base. In a separate pan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and garlic, sauteing until the onion is translucent. Add the diced bacon and sausage, if using, and cook until crispy. 3. Blend the beans. Once the beans are cooked, remove the bay leaves. Using a blender or immersion blender, puree the beans with some of their cooking liquid until smooth. 4. Combine and simmer. Return the pureed beans to the pot. Add the sauteed onion, garlic, and bacon. Season with salt and pepper. Let the soup simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes to blend the flavors. 5. Serve. Serve the Caldinho de Feijao hot, garnished with chopped cilantro or green onions. For a traditional touch, offer slices of bread or farofa toasted cassava flour on the side. Serving suggestions: Caldinho de Feijao is perfect for chilly evenings or as a comforting lunch. It's a versatile dish that can be customized with different toppings, like shredded cheese, diced tomatoes, or avocado. Enjoy the extended Brazilian Caldinho de Feijao recipe. A simple yet richly flavored soup that embodies the warmth and hospitality of Brazilian cuisine. Each spoonful offers a taste of home, making it a cherished dish. For its comforting qualities and satisfying flavors,